am so honored to be here. How about you, Zassi?
Yeah, I'm super honored to be here. Anatomy of a Fall. Marie-Ange Luciani and David Thion.
Barbie. David Heyman, Margot Robbie, Tom Ackerley, and Robbie Brenner, producers.
Okay, that makes sense.
Thank you on the right.
You're here, Lily. And Lily has to walk. And still in, Mr. Murphy. And
okay, so all the nominees. Now please direct your attention to the flashing light in the ceiling. Can all the nominees see the flashing light in the ceiling? Okay, that's where the camera is. Are you smiling? Okay, I'm gonna count backwards. 3, wait, hold up, your eyes are closed, come on now. Let's try that again, here we go. You ready? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Willem, to your right. Lupita, back down here. Hi, how are you? Lupita, back to your right, yes. Oh, back over here, Cynthia. John, right this way. Emily. John, right in front of you.